5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good morning, this is Wayne Cymbaluk from the Stearns County Saltwater Conservation District with your conservation report. Conservation Minnesota is putting on a free buckthorn workshop today, Saturday, May 11th from 1:30 to 3 o'clock at the Sauk River Regional Park in Sartell. The park is located across the street just east of the Walmart in Sartell. You will learn how to identify buckthorn and about its ecological and economic impacts to our region. This week is Drinking Water Week, and during Drinking Water Week, let's celebrate the dedicated individuals behind our community's safe drinking water, from engineers to operators to lab technicians and more. These professionals work tirelessly to ensure the quality and safety of our drinking water. Unfortunately, if you're not on a city services, you're probably a private well owner, and then it's your responsibility to make sure the drinking water is safe to drink. And to do that, you need to get your water tested for nitrates, arsenic, and other contaminants. Nitrate is the most common contaminant in Minnesota's groundwater. Since you can't see it or taste it, many people are not aware that it's in their water. Is your well water safe? Bring a quart jar of water and get your well water screened for nitrates and chlorides on Wednesday, May 11th from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. at the Art in Motion on the Lake Wobegon Trail in Holdingford. While waiting for your results, visit the We Are Water Minnesota exhibit that is on display at Art in Motion, and that display goes until June 16th. Can't make it during the hours of the event? A cooler will be located outside the front door of the building starting at 7 a.m. the morning of the event. A staff member will be on site to assist with collecting and labeling the water samples. Groundwater professionals will be on site during the event to discuss your results and provide guidance to ensure your drinking water is safe. Hope to see you there. There's currently a lot of funding available through the state of Minnesota and even through our office to support pollinators. One such program is the Lawns to Legume program, which is focused on building a movement to support pollinator populations. Since 2019, more than 5,000 funded pollinator habitat projects have been installed through this program around the state. Any Minnesota resident with an area for outdoor planting can apply for a $400 individual support grant, and coaching assistance is also available if needed to install the habitat projects. The application deadline for the spring 2024 projects is May 15th. The website you would apply through is bluethumb.org. Also, the Stearns County Parks Department is hosting a Kids to Parks Day that is scheduled for Saturday, May 18th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Quarry Park. Some of the activities will include making pine cone bird feeders, looking at macroinvertebrates, which are insects that live in the water. You'll be able to meet the Lorax with Prairie Woods Environmental Learning Center. There will also be solar eclipse demonstrations and much more. The mission of the Kids to Parks Day is to foster future outdoor enthusiasts and help with developing the next generation of park stewards by engaging kids in memorable outdoor experiences. While discovering and exploring our parks, kids learn about park stewardship, outdoor recreation, STEM, and the history of our country and its amazing national treasures, because kids need parks and parks needs kids. Also, the St. Cloud Stormwater Practices Tour will be held on May 22nd of 2024. Noah Check, who is the City of St. Cloud Stormwater Compliance Coordinator, will be leading a tour around the City of St. Cloud, looking at the different stormwater treatment practices that they have, and he will discuss how to inspect and maintain them. Some of the featured practices include rain gardens, tree planters, underground storage, and filtration systems, plus many others. So if you ever wanted to geek out on stormwater, this is the event for you. Please register through the Minnesota Erosion Control Association's website as soon as possible. For more information on any of today or other topics, please check out our website at www.stearnscountyswcd.net or call us at 320-251-7800, extension 3. Also, please like us on Facebook. This has been Wayne Cymbaluk with your Conservation Report.